Hello dear students, welcome to my next class of like terms and unlike terms. Here you can see some expressions are given here, and in these expressions we will see which are like terms and which are unlike terms. We'll also see why they are like terms and why they are unlike terms. What is the reason, that also we'll see in this video. Watch the video till the end. Let's start. First we will see like terms. Here you can see 7x, 14x and minus 13x. These three are like terms. 7x, 14x, minus 13x. The important is why they are like terms. Sorry. See here, all these three expressions have variable as x, and also we have to note the power of the variable is also same. That's why these three are like terms. And here you can see 5x square and minus 9x square. 5x square minus 9x square is also are like terms. The power and the variable is same. If power and variable is same, then it is like terms. Variable is same, both have x as variable and both have power square. That's why they are like terms. Also here 7xy minus 5xy. 7xy minus 5xy. These are also like terms. 7xy and minus 5xy are like terms. The variable is xy here. Here also variable is xy. These are also like terms. Now we will see some unlike terms. Here you can see, I'll write one 7x 7y. One 7x here, 7y here. These two are unlike terms. Why they are unlike terms? Because variables are different. Here variable is x and here variable is y. That's why they are unlike terms. We have here 7x 5x square. These two are also unlike terms. See, variable is same but powers are different. Here power is 1 and here power is 2. That's why they are unlike terms. For any here you see the variable and power both are same. If variable and power both are same, then only we can say it as like terms. Otherwise they are considered as unlike terms. One more unlike term we'll see here. 5x square minus 9y square. Here variable is x and here variable is y. So here it is square, this is also square, but variable are different. That's why it is unlike terms. Like this you can write many unlike terms here. Now I want to show you something. Keep in mind, it is very important. In the last video also I told you only like terms can be added or subtracted. Like terms added or subtracted. Keep in mind, only like terms can be added or subtracted. Unlike terms can't be added, cannot be added or subtracted. Now I will show you some example. This is very important, student. If you know how to add like terms and unlike terms, then you can solve the problem. Otherwise you cannot. Even in the higher education you should know this. You cannot add the unlike terms. You can only add the like terms. Suppose 5p plus 7p. Here you see these are like terms. I can add it. 5p plus 7p is 12p. Suppose if it is like this, 5p plus 7q. This is 5p, this is 7q. Can we add? No, we cannot add because the variables are different. Unlike terms can't be added or subtracted. We cannot add. Suppose it is 5x square plus 3x square. 5x square plus 3x square. Sorry for the inconvenience. Can we add this? Yes, we can add it. Both are like term. The variable is same, also power is same. So we can add it. 5x square plus 3x square is 8x square. Now suppose if it is like this, 5x square plus 3y square. Can we add? No, we cannot add it because they are unlike terms. Now we'll take one example, two examples of subtraction also. Suppose it is 9y square minus 4y square. Can we subtract? Yes, we can subtract it because these are like terms. Both have same variable as well as power is also same. We can subtract it. 9y square minus 4y square. When you subtract, answer will be 5y square. Suppose if it is like this, 9y square minus 4y cube. Can we subtract? No, we cannot subtract. Why? Because variable is same but powers are different. Only like terms can be added or subtracted. Unlike terms cannot be added, cannot be subtracted. So today's lesson is very important. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel Tech Mathematics. Thank you for watching my videos.